Hey everyone, James here from Hurry the Food Up. Today we're talking about eggs and weight loss and why they are just so good for it. Eggs are one of those foods which I'm such a fan of, and as a nutritionist would have no hesitation recommending them to people as part of a weight loss plan. But why are they so good? Well, let's get cracking with today's video. I can't say that line with a straight face. Gotta love a food pun. If you're new here, then hey, we do weekly videos on weight loss. So if you're interested in that, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification icon to stay up to date with our videos. Alright, so let's jump straight into why eggs are good for weight loss. And let's start with that word that gets thrown around a lot, and it's satiety. This simply means how full you feel. And it's so important when you're trying to lose weight. To lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit. And in order to do that over the long term, you need to eat foods which are satisfying so that you don't overeat, snack, or just throw in the towel because you feel hungry all the time. Eggs are brilliant for feeling full, and in part that's because of their protein content. We know that protein contributes to that sensation of feeling full, and one egg contains about 6 grams of protein. So a couple of eggs in a meal gives you some pretty good protein. And pair that with some other food, and you're cooking up a meal that is going to leave you feeling satisfied. Eggs are also handy when trying to lose weight because despite being full of protein, they don't contain that much else, which means that your average egg comes to about 65 calories. So you can eat a smaller amount of calories in meals and still feel full, which is basically the perfect combo. Despite not being particularly high in calories, eggs are absolutely packed full of nutrients. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as vitamin A, B2, B12, D and folate, as well as some nutrients like selenium and calcium. So basically they contain loads of goodness. And one complaint that I commonly hear when people are trying to lose weight, but perhaps haven't quite got the balance right, is that they feel tired or grotty. As eggs contain plenty of nutrients, they can help to address imbalances that can occur when trying to lose weight. So they tick the health box for me too. By the way, if you're interested in what a weight loss meal plan looks like, you can download our 1-week meal plan by clicking the link in the corner of the screen now. It's totally free and it contains a grocery list for you too. So all you need to do is buy the food and cook some delicious meals. The first thing to say here is to eat the whole egg. Gone are the days of just eating the egg white. Don't do that. You miss out on most of the nutrients and, to be honest, the taste too. And who doesn't want that golden, delicious colour as part of their plate? The second thing is that you actually don't need to worry about the cholesterol in eggs. Again, this is one of those things that got eggs a bit of a bad rep. You shouldn't eat eggs because they're full of cholesterol and they'll raise your cholesterol too. But actually, this isn't the case. We absorb very little cholesterol from our diet, and actually evidence suggests that eggs can increase HDL cholesterol, aka the good cholesterol, and lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Jesus, saying cholesterol so many times is like a tongue twister. Cholesterol, cholesterol, cholesterol. So next time someone asks you about this, you can say, no, I heard it from James on YouTube that eggs don't raise your bad cholesterol and they're fine to eat. Current evidence suggests that 2 eggs a day is perfectly healthy for most people. It may be that we can eat more than this, but I'd say that's a pretty safe number to go with. The final thing is just to consider what you pair your eggs with. Eggs are awesome because, as we've talked about, they can make you feel full without adding loads of calories. But if you fry your eggs in a load of oil and put them on toast with a load of butter and then maybe some ketchup too, you're kind of just derailing your own efforts. We've got some weight loss friendly egg recipe ideas for you, and I put them in the description for you so you can check them out. Eggs are versatile little things and they can be used for breakfast, lunch, dinner or snacks, so it's really up to you. Anyway, that's it for today's video. My question for you is, how do you prefer to eat your eggs? Boiled? Fried? Some other way? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.